Welcome to the Lose Zone. If you're a woman over 40 who's been trying to lose weight, tone up, or just feel amazing in your own body again, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to design your perfect weight, what to eat, what exercises truly work, and what things you should absolutely avoid if you want lasting results. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like so you don't miss any of our weekly tips to help you look and feel your best. Welcome to the Lose Zone. If you're a woman over 40 who's been trying to lose weight, tone up, or just feel amazing in your own body again, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to design your perfect weight, what to eat, what exercises truly work, and what things you should absolutely avoid if you want lasting results. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like so you don't miss any of our weekly tips to help you look and feel your best. First off, let's stop chasing someone else's perfect body. Your perfect weight isn't about being skinny, it's about being strong, healthy, and confident. After 40, your metabolism slows down, your hormones shift, and your muscle mass naturally decreases, which means what worked in your 20s doesn't work anymore. Instead of focusing on a number on the scale, focus on three key things: how your clothes fit, your energy levels, your body composition, the balance between muscle and fat. When you design your perfect weight, you're designing a lifestyle that supports your body long-term, not just a temporary diet. Let's talk food, because your diet is 80% of your results. After 40, your body needs foods that boost metabolism, stabilize hormones, and support lean muscle. Here's what you should focus on. Protein. Aim for lean proteins like chicken, salmon, turkey, Greek yogurt, and eggs. Protein helps you maintain and rebuild muscle and keeps you full longer. Fiber-rich foods. Add lots of vegetables, berries, and whole grains like quinoa and oats. Fiber helps control blood sugar and keeps your digestion smooth. Healthy fats. Don't be afraid of fat. Avocados, nuts, olive oil, and fatty fish like salmon actually help your hormones stay balanced. Hydration. Drink water like it's your secret weapon. Most women over 40 mistake thirst for hunger, so staying hydrated curbs cravings naturally. What to avoid. Now, here are the things that slow your progress down. Sugar and processed carbs. They spike insulin and promote belly fat. Skipping meals. This slows your metabolism and leads to overeating later. Extreme calorie restriction. Your body goes into starvation mode and burns less fat. Remember, food isn't your enemy, it's your fuel. The right foods make your metabolism work for you, not against you. Okay? Now let's move that beautiful body. The key is smart training, not hard training. As a woman over 40, your body responds best to a mix of strength training, 3 to 4 days a week. Building lean muscle is the secret weapon for fat loss. Muscle burns more calories, keeps your bones strong, and tones your shape beautifully. You don't need to lift heavy. Start with resistance bands, dumbbells, or even your own body weight. Cardio, 2-3 times a week. Focus on low-impact cardio that's gentle on your joints, like brisk walking, cycling, or swimming. For faster results, mix in short HIIT workouts. 20 minutes of alternating high and low intensity. Flexibility and balance work. Yoga and Pilates are amazing for hormone balance, stress reduction, and improving posture. Remember, you don't need hours in the gym. You just need consistency. Even 30 minutes a day can change your body completely if you stick to it. Now let's talk about the biggest mistakes women over 40 make when trying to lose weight, and what you should never do. Number 1. Stop doing endless cardio. Cardio burns calories, yes, but too much can eat away at muscle, slow your metabolism, and cause burnout. Number 2. Don't skip strength training. If you're not building muscle, you're missing out on the best fat-burning engine you have. Number 3. Don't ignore sleep. Poor sleep disrupts your hunger hormones, raises cortisol, and makes weight loss almost impossible. Aim for 7 to 8 hours every night. Number 4. Don't stress over the scale. Focus on progress. Inches lost, energy gained, strength improved, not just the number. Number 5. Don't expect overnight results. Real transformation takes patience. Give your body love, time, and consistency, and it will reward you. Designing your perfect weight after 40 isn't about punishment. It's about partnership with your body. Fuel it with the right foods. Move it in ways that make you feel strong, and protect your peace, your sleep, and your happiness. Remember, your best years aren't behind you. They're just beginning. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with a friend who's ready to feel amazing again. Always check the description area for any free help we may offer to include an amazing book for women over 40. And as always, may the Lord always bless you.